slump over at the waist, walk towards your opponent with your shoulder and just start chopping down to the body, almost like a Rocky Marciano, but he goes to the canvas. Zulueta puts him out, and the referee waving it off. So just as we said it, Pratishak started.
Isa na namang undefeated Filipino boxer ang sasabak sa isang mahalagang laban sa Thailand. Sa Hulyo 25, 2026, muling aakyat sa ring si John Michael "The Striker" Zulueta upang harapin ang veteranong Laotian fighter na si Solyeng Sovanafakdi, nakilala rin bilang Payu Sorkulawong. Gaganapin ang kanilang 10 round na bakbakan sa World Siam Stadium sa Bangkok, Thailand, at nakataya rito ang ABF Flyweight title. Bit-bit ni Zulueta ang malinis na record na 20 panalo, 8 talo, 3 draw, at 13 knockouts. Galing din siya sa isang knockout victory sa Bangkok noong Pebrero, kaya tiyak na mataas ang kanyang kumpiyansa sa pagbabalik niya sa Thailand. Pero hindi dapat maliitin si Sovanafakdi. Mayroon siyang 24 na professional fights, kaya taglay niya ang karanasan at tibay ng isang veteranong mandirigma. Wala siyang gaanong mawawala sa laban na ito, kaya maaari siyang maging isang mapanganib na kalaban. Para kay Zulueta, hindi lamang ABF title ang nakataya. Nakataya rin ang kanyang undefeated record at ang pagkakataong mas mapalapit sa mas malalaking laban sa hinaharap. Kaya ba niyang manatiling walang talo at maiuwi sa Pilipinas ang panibagong titulo? Abangan ang main event. Bago ang nalalapit na laban, tunghayan muna natin ang impresibong knockout performance ni John Michael Zulueta kontra sa veteranong Thai fighter na si Pratishak Phaprom. Bit-bit ng Thai ang 42 panalo at 27 knockouts, ngunit 2 rounds lamang ang kinailangan ni Zulueta upang tapusin ang laban. Sa pagtunog ng kampana para sa unang round, nagsimula ang kanilang mainit na sagupaan. Kapwa orthodox at parehong maingat na nagsukatan ang dalawang mandirigma. Hindi basta-basta sumugod si Zulueta. Pinag-aralan muna niya ang galaw ng veteranong Thai habang maingat na naghahanap ng butas sa depensa nito.
And you can see right away just the balance of these two fighters, the way they hold their feet, the way they hold their shot. How experienced you are, Adam. It only ever takes one good shot on the chin to put you down. Zulueta representing the Philippines in those black shorts with the white trim. Really just attacking early on with the nice jabs. Very fast, but very timid as well. Very aware of the power of Pratishak. Playing catch-up.
Yeah, it's important to get a good lead.
Lightning fast hands here by John Michael Zulueta. Really nice hands here, but Pratishak really coming alive as well with some nice shots upstairs. He's a very dangerous boxer inside the pocket, is Pratishak. So I think Zulueta is very aware of this as well. Keeping his shots, really nice range, really good shots in the midsection of this ring.
Yeah, I like Zulueta's style. He's not getting too involved. He's throwing his punches and getting out of the way. He's looking well up to him.
Eating your shots.
Yeah, definitely. He's working well behind his jab. Just as I say that, Pratishak won't come back.
Absolutely. Pratishak really came alive there. Nice left hook upstairs. I mean, this is the other thing here is Pratishak, although he's taking more shots, he's still getting a timing going for him. He's still working out the timings, the moments of his opponent.
Good body shot from Zulueta.
Definitely looked like it hurt as well because Pratishak started to throw a hook upstairs but looked a little bit fatigued in that left hook as well.
Pagsapit ng second round, ramdam na ni Phaprom ang bagsik at bigat ng bawat suntok ni Zulueta. Nang makitang nasasaktan na ang veteranong Thai, lalo pang pinatindi ng Pinoy ang kanyang opensiba at naghanap ng pagkakataong tapusin ang laban.
Central ring for both of these fighters. Nice work to the body there by the Thai fighter. But then we see Zulueta starting to return with his shots right now.
Great body shot from Zulueta.
Beautiful left hook to the body there, right underneath the rib cage. And this is what we were talking about earlier, Adam, is he gets inside, he really makes it count.
Yeah, definitely needs to keep a tight defence and keep using his job. His job's the key.
And you can see with his style as well, he's got that almost that 1950s, that 1960s boxing style of slump over at the waist, walk towards your opponent with your shoulder and just start chopping down to the body, almost like a Rocky Marciano, but he goes to the canvas. Zulueta puts him out, and the referee waving it off. So just as we said,
At heto na, isang napakalakas na overhand punch ang pinakawalan ng Pinoy. Malinis itong tumama at tuluyang nagpabagsak kay Faprom. Hindi na maayos ang kanyang balanse dahil sa matinding impact ng suntok. Kaya wala nang ibang nagawa ang referee, kundi itigil ang laban. Panalo ang ating kababayang si John Michael the Striker Zulueta sa pamamagitan ng second round TKO.
Second round TKO, John Michael Zulueta.
Abangan natin ang patuloy na pag-usbong ng mandirigmang ito. Si John Michael the Striker Zulueta na may record na 20 panalo, walang talo at 3 draw ay kabilang sa bagong henerasyon ng mga undefeated Filipino boxers. Kasama niya sa listahan sina Carl James Wonderboy Martin, Charlie Suarez,
It surprises. He lands that right hand while he's feeling it and goes to the canvas.
Weljon Triggerman Mindoro,
Punch for punch with a puncher like Maduro. Not a good idea for Good John.
Holds.
Body shots too.
Not the holding time. Paulie, you said it. Should have held, should have clipped, waited for the belt.
Comes to a close and
Leonard Sarcon, Arvin John Pachones, Christian Pit Lorente,
Champion sa lightweight. Magandang laban ito. Tinamaan na kagad. 3. What a shot. 4.
at Olympic medalist Yumir Marcial. Sila ang mga mandirigmang patuloy na nagsisikap, gumagawa ng pangalan at nagdadala ng bandila ng Pilipinas sa pandaigdigang boxing scene. Kaya kilalanin at suportahan natin ang mga bagong usbong na Pinoy fighters na maaaring maging susunod na kampeon ng mundo.